All right, I'll make you a short little video about, I think, the 3 necessary things that you must do, all right, to be successful, to get people to sign up in LiveGood, okay? Not just as members where you can, get wholesale on the products, but you want people to sign up as affiliates. You, okay? You. What are you doing, okay? If you're watching my video and you have not signed up in LiveGood yet, I'm going to do my best to show you what I want you to do if you come aboard. Okay, because I want you to earn money and buy some of these darn products and make you feel good. Okay, nothing wrong with that. Okay, so first thing, you need to have a link to click. Okay, if you don't have a link to click and get people's email addresses and their name, it's kind of hard to repeatedly get a hold of them with a nice little message and say, hey, here's something more about LiveGood. Okay, and if you're interested, let me know. Then the next day, it might be about a different product. And then the next email, it might be about the opportunity to earn money. But anyway, I don't want you to be a salesperson or a coach or a trainer if you sign up in LiveGood to be an affiliate to earn money, okay? Because if you're going to be on the phone and typing people and helping them set up and do all this stuff, it drains you and it eats up way too much time. Okay, there's customer service already in place with LiveGood. All right, so if you or somebody has questions about the product, the shipping, the handling, all that stuff, guys, it's all handled by LiveGood. Okay, as affiliates, you got $40, you're an affiliate. All you got to do is pay $10 a month to be a member. So for $49.95, $50, you can join right now, and then each month just pay $10 and that's it. Okay, but the first thing you need is just something to click. Okay, so what I recommend, just go to GoDaddy or your favorite place to buy domains. I like GoDaddy because there's a live operator, a human, there. You can just call, ask them if a domain is open. My name's Cory, so I just bought joincory.com, and then I forward it to the LiveGood capture page. Okay, and if you go to joincory.com, you can see. All right, so number 1, you need to get at least a business card made so you can just hold it up to someone's face and go, please, I don't want to talk about business. I just want you to check out this domain on my business card, and we'll part and then get a hold of me. If you want to go ahead and join, or maybe after you join, you guys could talk a little bit about how to kick butt and take names. Okay, but the most successful people in LiveGood, and I've got 400 people signed up just directly in my, personally signed up underneath me here. I just go ahead and invite them mostly just to this, joincory.com. Okay, so what's the budget for business cards? On Vistaprint, about $25-$30. To buy yourself a domain name that's new, that hasn't been taken, is about $11. Okay, when you join for $50, so right now you're still under $100, you're going to get your own website here. And what I recommend you do is invite people to the products tab, which is this page here, and just let everybody look at all our products, wholesale, retail, the ingredients, how to use each product, and then invite people to the FAQ section. Okay, because when people go to this page, there's just tons of questions already answered. Okay, and like I said, you don't have to be a coach or a trainer, all right, and have to answer all these questions. Let the LiveGood website do it, or the customer service. Anyone can go to support@livegood.com and ask a question. You don't even have to be a member or an affiliate. Just ask them a question, all right? They have a full-time staff in customer service alone. Then people are always going to want to know, how do you get paid? Well, at the bottom of your cell phone link or the bottom of your home computer, you're going to see a little page, or a little link, on your web page. Oh, let me scroll down. There it is right there. See where it says pay plan? It'll say pay plan or affiliate pay plan. Go ahead and click it and just invite people to simply look at the opportunity right there on the screen. All right, we get paid 7 ways on the membership side. Guys, we don't have to buy products ever, only if you like to. And if you want to resell them, go ahead, go to Amazon, sell them in your store, sell them online somehow, but it's up to you. A lot of people just buy wholesale. They want to be members so they can get all of our products for cheap as possible and take them, all right, and get their body rocking. So when you go to the affiliate pay plan link, you can see it explains in great detail how we get paid. Okay, 7 ways. Here's the easiest way though. go to the very bottom of the pay plan link, and there's a YouTube video produced by LiveGood. Just watch it. Watch it 2 or 3 times. That way you have it memorized. And I know no matter what, you're going to try to explain the comp plan sooner or later, and you'll see what I mean. It's easier just to have people click the link, pay plan, scroll to the bottom and watch this video. Okay? It's so much easier, guys. And when you guys are all done at the end of the day, and if you want to set up business cards like me, you don't have to. And if you want to just use your LiveGood link, it's going to be livegoodtour.com/your username. I just think it looks better if you get a fun little domain name like I got here and have GoDaddy forward it, but you don't have to. Okay? If you're on a budget, let's just get you going for $49.95 right now. Okay? And if you want to join for the year, you get 2 months free. Okay? So if you have $99.95, $100, you can get 12 months for the price of 10. It's up to you. I don't make any more or less. A lot of people, they just want to one and done it. Pay the $100. They're done for the year as far as a member. Pay the one-time fee of $40. That's it for life. You don't have to pay any more. Once you're an affiliate, it's like a tattoo. Okay? So this is a very affordable business. You can take baby steps financially. And then you're just going to get good at inviting people to watch a link. That's it, guys. All right, I've been able to sign up 400 people, and I've helped 3 or 4 other groups sign up hundreds of more. This exact way, just by keeping it super simple, not over-explaining things. Let the website explain the comp plan and the products and the customer service. Let them service. Let them take those customers, which might be you or me, and let them answer. Okay, that's their job. I think they work Monday through Friday. I think they take off Saturday, Sunday. But we're a worldwide business, guys. 1.8 million people have come aboard. Very exciting. Okay, we're in a couple hundred countries. And right now we got like 40, 50 products. We're going to have hundreds more in all different type of categories. But just go to the products page at LiveGood and check it out. But anyway, I'll end my video now. Keep it somewhat short. And if you don't mind, guys, please just go to my domain here, joincory.com. Put your name and email address in. You're going to get 1 email from LiveGood for 30 days if you want. If you don't want anything to do with LiveGood, just opt out on the email. But keep the emails, because if you do join as an affiliate, I want you to use those emails and learn from them, because I want you to email people too. But use the emails from LiveGood because they're well written. Okay, it's kind of like a nice little free little bonus. Okay, it's like, thank you, LiveGood. So, okay, guys, thank you for your time subscribing to my YouTube channel. And let me know what you think. Cory at CoryDraper.com. My email address is probably somewhere below the video here. I always like to feature it, okay? All right, that's it. My work is done in 8 minutes. All right, take care, guys. See you next video. Bye.